Got a bit of sun peering out from the cloud over there. So the mural continues on that side there, but as long as I'm here, I'm gonna get this side in the sun. Nice mural. Get closer, but I'd be in the middle of the street and don't want to do that. And if I was on the sidewalk over there, I wouldn't be able. It would be at a too close an angle to actually see it. But this is good. It's nice. And we certainly need labor in this day and age of Trump, Pence, and xenophobia, Islamophobia, anti-Semitism, anti-black bigotry, anti-Mexican and Hispanic and Central American bigotry, and on it goes. So thank you, AFL-CIO, for the good work you do.